Everyone out here at the 2021 Moab Easter Jeep Safari at the Jeep brand Concept Drive. With me here is the Jeepster Beach. This is a Jeepster Commando body on top of a JL Wrangler Rubicon two-door frame and drivetrain. This thing uses the powertrain, the axles, the frame, and even the dashboard and center console from a two-door JL Wrangler Rubicon. So it's still got locking front and rear diffs, Ford low, of course, solid front and rear axles. These are, we got 35-inch tires. Many of the other concepts ride on 37s, but this one's on 35s, and that works better for a vehicle like this. It's a little subtler. This is a Restomod, so it's a restoration that's also been modified. Every year Jeep brings something like this to Easter Jeep Safari. In the past, there was a Gladiator pickup. There's been a Wagoneer, CJs, all kinds of other things. And yeah, this year we get the Jeepster Commando here. This thing wore a couple different fronts over the years. This one has the 7-slat grille, which is more on brand with modern day Jeep. So obviously this is a super deep orange exterior, and then inside you've got red leather. The back, obviously it's a two-seater, so it is bed lined, which is cool, and it's a red bed liner. You've got those chrome strips there, and then there's a cream accent color. We're kind of in a shadow here, but cream, a little bit of a beige color in the seats there, and then the design team likes to litter these things with all kinds of little fun stickers and other memorabilia that you might find in a vehicle from this period. So this one's obviously a beach theme, so you've got surfboard stickers, Hawaii, Moab Safari Club International 1977, the Jeep design sticker there. You'll find that in a lot of the concepts. There's a lei draped over the grab handle there, and then a couple fun things here. Here's a vintage map of California, and then a vintage surf guide from July of 1964. Oh, and those cream accents extend to the belt line as well. Chrome roll bar. It's a perfect day for this open top kind of drive. Yeah. Now let's take it for a little drive. This one has a lap belt, which threw me for a loop. Okay, there we go. Pull her down off this rock here. So these concepts are usually kind of funny. They cobble them together. They're well built, of course. They're safe and everything, but they're obviously not meant to be driven on the road. So like this one, they didn't quite meld the Wrangler electronics with this new body. So right now, every light is lit up on the dashboard. I'm getting tire pressure system warnings, service fuel sensor. The fuel gauge says 0 fuel remaining because they didn't connect the gas tank to the electronics. Stability control lights on, TPMS lights on. The nav screen doesn't work. So that's all pretty funny. It's cool that they permit people to drive these vehicles at these events, even though they are not quite roadworthy. This thing also has a tune from SRT, apparently, that bumps the power from the Wrangler's 2-liter 4-cylinder up by about 25%. That puts it in, what, about the 330, 340 horsepower range. Of course, we're not exceeding about 7 miles per hour on this drive, so I won't really get to test that out. It's a perfect day for an open-top Jeep experience here in the desert.